So with my 3D printing, I was finding that when I design things, and finding the actual like measurements of the thing I was working on, it wasn't quite accurate because I was using, like anyone, a ruler, and you go off what your eye sees. So I was researching online and I found these digital calipers, and literally what the best way to explain it is scales. You like zero the value when there is nothing on it, and then you put everything on to find the kilograms. It is exactly the same, but you do it for like measuring things. So for example, if I want to measure like this, my bearing, I literally just put it like this, and then I go like that, and then I can tighten it, and you will be able to see this. And there's also a button to change it to inches, so you can see what it is in inches. And it's like, what? And then to go a step further, okay, just had to, you could also do the inside of it. So just gotta make it a bit smaller. This will be roughly 18 mil. And 18 mil. It's like, that is, I can design cases for everything, like anything I want, because of this now. What the fuck? It is elite, and everyone should get one.